Look at this. I'm under a wind advisory. Let's turn
Rain
on
was
the
falling.
news.
It was 52 degrees. Dew point was 49.
Do my 12-251 here, my 382.
At 12 miles an hour. And now, additional observations at Hunting.
What?
Miles an hour, gusting to 20. At Marion, Kentucky, it was 53 degrees. The wind was southwest at 17 miles an hour. 23. At Hopkinsville, Fort Campbell, light rain was 15. Wind was south at
Which one? Maybe this one.
region. At Bloomington, Indiana, rain was falling with a temperature of 53. It was cloudy with a temperature of 60 at Bowling Green, 56 at Louisville, 54 at Harrisburg, Illinois, 57 at Nashville, and 51 at Lexington. At Paducah, it was fair with a temperature of 50. This is NOAA weather radio station KZZ61 in Whitesville, Kentucky, serving Owensboro and the surrounding area on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. This broadcast originates at NOAA's National Weather Service Forecast Office in Paducah. The current time is 8:13 p.m. Central Standard Time. Looking at the latest weather maps, gusty winds will continue through the night and into Monday morning. A strong cold front will bring chilly northwesterly flow for the first half of the work week. Temperatures will be well below normal with dry conditions for the first half of the work week. Unsettled weather will return for the second half of the week. Taking a look at your 7-day local forecast, wind advisory in effect until 6 a.m. Monday. Tonight, breezy, cloudy. Rain showers likely and a slight chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Then a chance of rain, possibly mixed with snow after midnight. No snow accumulation. Lows in the lower 30s. Southwest winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts to around 40 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. Monday, mostly cloudy. A 40% chance of snow in the morning.
That was just
Highs in the upper 30s.
swinging a bit, or was that a thunder? I don't
10
like
to
that.
20 miles per hour. Gusts up to 35 miles per hour in the morning. Monday night, partly cloudy. Low or 20s. Northwest winds around 10 miles per hour. Tuesday, most highs in the lower 30s. West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows around 19. West winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-30s. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the upper 20s. Thursday, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of rain and snow in the morning, then a chance of rain in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 40s. Chance of precipitation 50%. Thursday
Yeah, some
night,
cartoons
mostly
on, so
cloudy.
yeah.
Rain likely in the evening, then a chance of rain after
Kind of getting hot in
midnight.
here.
Lows
I
in
don't
the
have a
upper
fan
30s.
anymore.
Chance of
Mine
precipitation
caught sparks.
70%. Friday, mostly cloudy. A chance of rain in the morning, then a slight chance of rain showers in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-50s. Chance of precipitation 30%. Friday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers. Lows in the lower 40s. Saturday, cloudy with a 50% chance of showers. Highs in the mid-50s. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers. Lows in the mid-40s. Sunday, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 50s. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of southern Illinois, southwest
the
Indiana,
announcement?
western Kentucky, and southeast Missouri. Day 1, tonight, a wind advisory will be in effect tonight for the entire region. Winds will gust from 35 to 45 miles per hour at times. Refer to the advisory product for additional details. through 7, Monday through Saturday. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed. Here are the 8 p.m. observations for the Owensboro.
Looks like I won't get a message, but here it is. They just issued it. There's no wind advisory. There's no programmed same code for that. So yeah. I'm gonna go to weather.gov here. Just scroll down to the bottom. We're about to the previous page. Look at that. That is my county, Davis County. There's Owensboro right there. Let's refresh the page. We have a hazardous weather outlook issued. Here we go. As you can see here, this hazardous weather outlook disproportional. Yeah, I already said that. But yeah, again, now, brief details on how to get away from a wind advisory or how to survive from one. Make sure to stay indoors. Now, there's a potential chance for power lines to go down. Trees can be snapped and can be flown around. Driving will be very hazardous, even on low quality vehicles. Yeah, but seriously, where's the wind advisory? Okay, here it is. This one's on the top. Okay. Yeah, loose yard objects will tend to get blown around. As you can see, the winds are going to gust up to you see the southerly winds gust up to 35 to 40 miles per hour, and will shift to the west, and will shift to the west this evening with frequent gusts from 40 to 45 miles per hour. That's like tornado gust wind. That's like tornado-like winds, or tornado-like wind gusts. I don't even know, but still, hopefully I don't lose power. Hopefully I don't. I'll catch you guys next time if conditions worsen. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.